I want to make use of chain list. That's the first thing to do if you want to import any network settings on your MetaMask or any of your Web3 wallets. So chainlist.org, go ahead, connect it to your wallet, and you'll be seeing your address just like this. So the next thing to do is to put in the chain or the network you want. So let's put in the name of the chain is Pulse, Pulse, Pulse. So it's called Pulse chain actually. So you're going to add it. So it's going to shoot it out on your MetaMask extension. Enable this application to still the same. So it's going to tell you that okay, should I go ahead to add? So the warnings are regular, they're expected and they're normal. So you don't have to be worried or okay. You see? So it has loaded the settings. You can even view it yourself for safety check. Pause chain. Look at the URL. See the chain ID 369, PLS, and the block explorer. Meanwhile, you can also copy this and save it somewhere. You can, type it manually on your MetaMask under the add network settings. But this is what Chainlist does. It brings it out automatically to your network wallet and you approve it. So it will now ask you that you want to move to that chain. So since we want to use it now, we can switch to it. Okay. So there we'll see our balance and whatsoever we have there. So the reason why you are seeing this is because if you have not used this chain before, you're going to see zero. Or because I've used this chain earlier, sometimes back, it's easy for me to see it. Okay. So I can see what my balance is. I'm now on Pulse chain. Just like I can easily switch to any other chain that I desire, but I'm currently on Pulse chain. So now, once we have done that, that means we have installed or we have imported Pulse chain network settings to our wallet, and we can see it that we are there now. Then we should ask around, either we buy it from any exchange or buy it from changenow.io or ask anyone, any friend. They should give you this PLS because you need the gas fee to run your transaction. Then the next thing will be to go and copy your contract address for the token you want to see if you actually received. So I've done that already. So just come to token, okay? I've copied it already. So you come to token. So under token, you'll see import or see this add sign. That's plus, okay? So you now paste the contract address, okay? You leave it to load. It's going to load it automatically. So the name of the contract address the name of the token is PZAR. 18 is the token decimal, but PZAR is the name. So you save. So you import and you proceed with it. So the next thing to do now is to either send it to where you want to sell it, probably to somebody's else wallet address or to an exchange. But I don't think this token is selling on any exchange right now, except a decentralized exchange, and that will take us to this exchange called 9inch.io. 9inch. So I've copied it along with the contract address. It's going to load it to me directly, so I can see that I received this airdrop called Pizza, and I learned to sell in around $150. So it all depends on when you sold yours or if you have not. So the next thing to do is we have loaded the site. It's called 9inch.io. Just like we have 1inch on Ethereum chain and other chains like that, but this one is on Pulse S chain. So you connect the wallet. Where are you connecting to? Your MetaMask, of course. So it's going to shoot it out and warn me definitely. How do I know this site? And because when you connect to a site that is not good, it has the ability to see your funds, especially when you have approved it. So let me just select any of my wallets. So I'll connect. Okay. So now that we have this, okay, it's easy for us to click on this arrow to switch. So the pizza will come up and the pulse now marks it 1. So you see currently is 156 or equivalent, or what do I call it again, approximately. So it's $150, you see. So it's called Pizza, and you can enjoy your pizza either by trading, enable, and swap to PLX. Then finally, you may ask me, okay, how do I sell it? Just go to what we call Change Now. Change Now, yeah, support deposit of PLS. ChangeNow.io. Can you see it? So you might not use the suggestion so that you don't get the wrong suggestion. So it's ChangeNow.io. So you're going to, it's going, one thing ChangeNow.io is going to do for you is going to ask you, okay, what token do you have and what token do you want? So you're going to specify it. Okay, the one I have will stay up here. So just like this, just check it out. Just like I have BTC up here, I'll click on BTC. So I'll now type in PLX. Okay, PLS. Pulse chain. Okay, so I'm now, okay, what do I want? Okay, let's say for easy usage, so I'm going to choose let me go for BNB on USDT, or yeah, I think USDT on USDT, so that I'll be able to see on BSC chain. BSC chain is easy, okay, so I prefer BSC chain. It's easy. The gas is always easy. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna sell this to, let's say it worth 994,000 PLS. So I'm gonna put it here, 994,000. Yeah. Okay, 994,481. 994,481. Okay. So naturally it cost $148. Okay, we can see from here. But because they are doing the job for us by, instant bridging without you having to connect any wallet, so that's their own fee, I guess. So they are going to charge us almost like $5.5. So you now click on exchange. Okay, so it's still not bad. You can still give that out if you need to sell that off. So the next thing to do now is to get the address you're going to deposit that Pulse X2. So it means you must have swapped. Don't forget, you must have swapped your pizza to this PLS. Okay, so take note of that. Where is the payout address? Where do you want the USDT that you desire to be sent to? Okay, so you now confirm. So one thing it does is this: it's going to generate you an address to send that Pulse X to. So take note, you might need to save this transaction ID for your own safety too. In case there is any issue, you're going to use this to report to their, customer service. So you're going to send this exact. It has to be accurate. You are going to send it to this generated address for you. Once they notice it, it's going to tell you that it has been noticed. Then confirm exchange and send it to the address, the USDT that you desire. For what? For the Pulse X that you sent. You'll get it in this address. Okay, so that's how it works. Good luck.